Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a truly mind-bending question from Noah. What if the Earth were made entirely of protons and the Moon were made entirely of electrons? Now, this scenario is as fascinating as it is destructive, so let's explore it together. Imagine a gigantic hydrogen atom with an electron moon orbiting a proton Earth. On the surface, it seems to make sense after all. Electrons orbit protons, just like moons orbit planets. But here's where it gets wild. Electrons and protons don't play by the same rules. If we were to gather a massive number of electrons to form a moon, they would repel each other with a force far stronger than any gravitational pull trying to keep them together. To put it into perspective, if we had 10 to the 53 electrons, the energy they would generate trying to push apart would be astronomical. In fact, the forces at play would be so powerful that the Earth and this electron moon wouldn't be able to influence each other at all. Instead of a harmonious orbit, we'd witness a spectacular explosion of energy as those electrons accelerated outward at nearly the speed of light. Now, let's take a moment to consider the theoretical implications of this scenario. I reached out to Dr. Keeler, a string theorist, who pointed out that we shouldn't rely on calculations that assign such immense energy to each electron. The highest energy we've observed in nature comes from cosmic rays, which are still far from the levels we'd encounter in this hypothetical situation. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. When we bring general relativity into the mix, things start to shift. The energy from our electron moon would warp space and time in a way that could lead to the formation of black hole. Yes, you heard that right. The energy concentrated in this scenario could rival the total mass and energy of the entire observable universe. So, what would happen next? Would this black hole cause the rest of the universe to collapse? The answer is uncertain and largely depends on the mysterious nature of dark energy, which remains one of the biggest puzzles in cosmology. However, for now, it seems that nearby galaxies would be safe, as the gravitational influence of our hypothetical black hole would only expand outward at the speed of light. Isn't it incredible to think about the vastness of our universe and the complex interactions at play? Thank you for joining me on this journey through such a captivating thought experiment. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep wondering and keep exploring.